Okay, we're back here again, and now we have Sean making a very simple smoothie. Sean would be what we call a picky eater, and he just tries, his diet is very limited, but he always wants to feel energized and healthy and happy and everything. So we have found a very simple smoothie that Sean enjoys. So it's called the tropical smoothie, and Sean is going to make it for us here now. There are lots of, these are very easy because you can pick them up in the shops, you can add some water with them, and they're really, really easy and simple to make, and make sure you're making sure that your child is getting sufficient nutrients and antioxidants. And then afterwards, Sean will have some protein, which will fill him up, and we have some toast seeds that Sean can do there. So now they're going to put them together.
So Sean's going to pour some mango, pineapple and papaya into this blender with Sean.
No. So you can start now.
With some water, with
400 ml of water.
400 ml of water.
And now we'll blend it up. So blend it up normally for about 10 to 15 seconds, and voila, we have 2 smoothies, juices even. One for Kira and one for Sean.
Cheers.
There you go.